Welcome to the WunderTrading channel. Today we are pleased to share with you the latest update of our dollar cost averaging strategy, designed to improve your trading experience in various markets. We will introduce you to an algorithm that ensures the stability of your yield curve and the flexibility to adapt to different market conditions. We hope you find this video informative. So, let's get started. First of all, it is important to understand how the DCA algorithm works. We already have videos on our channel on how to use the DCA bot on the WunderTrading platform. You can familiarize yourself with it via the link in the description. To add a trading bot, go to the TradingView platform and search for Wunder DCA bot. Add it to your chart. You can see how flawlessly this algorithm works based on their backtest. In one of the latest updates, the ability to select the type of condition to enter a trade was added. The new entry method introduced in the latest update is based on the Bollinger Band strategy, whose period is much longer than the standard values. These settings allow us to more accurately search for the most probable market reversals. This update significantly increases the efficiency of our DCA bot, especially with a small take profit. This means you will be able to utilize more trading opportunities while maintaining a disciplined approach to risk management. One of the distinguishing features of this algorithm is its adaptability to different market conditions. Whether it is a strong trend, range, or increased market volatility, the DCA strategy can adjust its parameters accordingly to optimize performance. You can notice how well this algorithm performs on most trading pairs. When setting up a DCA bot, it is important to pay attention to the asset on which you plan to trade. The main aspect is the volatility and what deviation settings you have set for the DCA bot. Since the deviation values for volatile pairs may not be suitable for more classic pairs. So, let's automate our strategy and turn it into a trading bot. First of all, we need to switch to the WunderTrading platform. Select the Signal Bot tab and add New DCA Bot. Write down the name of the bot, select the exchange and API you want to trade with, select the time frame and pair you plan to trade, and set the entry volume and take profit and stop loss settings. Duplicate the settings from the strategy on TradingView into the corresponding field DCA. The next thing you need to do is copy and paste the comments into the strategy settings. Let's do it. The final step to creating your bot with WunderTrading is to create an alert that will send this comment to the WunderTrading platform. Click on the Create Alert button and add a message from your bot settings. Add a webhook. Create an alert. Return to the platform and save your bot. That's all. You can add this script from the link in the description and also automate it with WunderTrading. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.